Okay, that's the pumps. And like I said, the pump on the bottom runs faster than the pump on the top. So this one feeds the material inside the mixing tube, which is here, and we attach later in the front there. And the pump on the bottom sucks the material out of the toad. Yeah. And the overflow goes back to this hose, back into the toad.
This one's faster than that one. This is the one you hook to
The mixing tube.
mixing tube.
And you change the speed of the motor here to get more or less material out. And the same thing here for the rubber. Okay. And later we try to.
What would you say you would want them set at for starters? 7?
Yeah. We start the rubber with 7, and then we try to bring as much as rubber we can out, and then we make our calculation. What is the ratio?
It's 44 pounds of urethane to 220 pounds of rubber.
Okay, so we have to calculate something because we let it out and then we maybe get, I don't know, 200 pounds.
Right.
No, 100 pounds in 30 seconds.
Right.
And then we have to calculate how much binder we need in half a minute.
Right.
That's
I see.
why we reference that motor.
Rubber. That's
Rubber
the
motor?
Yeah.
rubber motor.
Rubber.
And that's
That's binder.
so rubber motor on top.
Yeah.
Now the binder, what do you put that on in the beginning?
Yeah, we.
Full to 7
You
or?
just know it's maybe somewhere in 3 or 4.
We'll do the rubber.
We do
we'll
the rubber,
calculate the
then
rubber
we do the calculation,
Then you set that on
and
the
then you
back.
set it. We set it to some. You can
Something.
set it somewhere,
Yeah,
and then
okay.
you just see if it's way too much, you go down with the speed. If it's way too less, you go up with the speed, and then you have to do it for maybe 3 or 4 times.
Okay.
And all the
Once we
materials.
get it, we're good.
Yeah.
Yep.
And when you have one setting, you let it run out maybe for 3 times just to check, and then at the end you take the average. So maybe on the first time it's maybe 2 pounds more than on the second time, and 2 pounds less than on the third time. So you have the average.
Right.
Okay.
You know, for the calculation.
But we do have to have enough urethane. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Not enough urethane's bad. Real bad.
Mm-hmm.
But then 3, then
Rubber.
average, then average.
And that box has always got to be upright.
Yeah.
Vertical.
And then for maintenance and things, you just have some grease points. One is here down for the.
Is that our grease gun?
Yeah, that's yours.
That's ours. Yeah.
Yeah. That came with the machine. Also, that's a small toolkit.
What kind of grease is that?
Okay.
Any kind of grease? All right, that's what I meant. Okay.
Is that the same with all the equipment? Doesn't matter what kind of grease it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have one here, and then here.
So any bearing thing.
There's stickers all over the place, Joe.
Yeah.
Those stickers right there tell you where the grease points are.
And you have one more, I think. Here.
We gotta take this out anyway, right? You can't transport. You gotta put it in and take it out every time, right?
If you have enough space, you can leave it on, or you can just put it inside here.
Joe, we'll put it inside every time. That way we're always doing it every time the same way. Otherwise,
so
we'll leave it.
We put this one out.
How do you do it? How many guys? That's the auger, right?
Yeah, just pull out the auger.
Oh, pull it out.
Yeah, it's not so heavy. Maybe 2 guys, one on the left, one on the right.
by the minute.
It is.
Okay. First of all, don't tape this.